Let's build a complete kitchen using templates. Start by adding the essential components such as the fridge housing unit, oven cabinet, drawer units, storage elements, a sink cabinet, and shelving units for the right edge. Once all the base cabinets are properly positioned, you can add the countertop. Select the top from the first cabinet, then either click Add New Board or press the B key and move it to the end of the last element. Next, we'll create openings for the sink and cooktop. Open the board properties and click Make Center Cut. To move an opening, you need to select all vertices around it. Switch to vertex mode, which makes this easier, especially if you enable X-ray view. Press G, then choose the axis, X or Y, to move the selection along that axis, or type in an exact value, for example, 150 millimeters. To scale the opening, press S, which scales it on both the X and Y axes. Confirm with the left mouse button, or press Escape to cancel. If you only want to resize part of the opening, switch to Face Select mode. Pick the face you want, press G and then X to move it along the X-axis, and adjust it with the mouse or by entering an exact value. Place the opening approximately where it should be. Now let's make the sink opening circular. For this, you can use the Boolean tool and choose the circle option. Switching to a top-down view makes this process much easier. To place openings precisely with exact measurements, go to the Measures section. Remove any existing measures and enter Edit mode by clicking here or pressing the Tab key. Switch to Edge Select mode, select the edges you need, and add a measurement segment. After adding it, you can adjust its position. This step ensures a cleaner export. You can also switch to Vertex Selection mode, pick two vertices, and add a measurement between them. Once the measurements are set, you can accurately place and resize the openings.